Dr. Mitchell. Hi, I'm Dr. Mitchell. Let's talk about something many men over 50 experience but rarely discuss. It's that frustrating feeling when your mind is all in, but your body just isn't keeping up. You might notice things aren't as strong or reliable as they used to be. It can make you feel like your body is betraying the younger man you still feel like inside. But I want to be very clear. This is not the end of the road, not by a long shot. Your body has an incredible capacity for strength and vitality. It just needs the right fuel. And that fuel is all about improving your circulation. Best of all, it all starts with what's on your dinner plate tonight. For more than a decade, I've worked as a urologist, helping men reclaim their energy and confidence using natural, straightforward methods. No pills, no shame, just science. Today, I'm sharing 7 amazing foods that are proven to improve blood flow where it matters most, especially after 50. They're simple, they're safe, and adding them to your diet is easy. The result? More energy, better stamina, and a return to the firm, reliable performance you remember. Stick around to the end, and I'll explain the science behind how these foods work together. We'll cover the biological and even the emotional impact of restoring your confidence. But first, a quick favor. If you find this helpful, please click the like button. It helps the video reach other men who could benefit. And be sure to subscribe for more no-nonsense men's health tips. I'd also love to know where you're watching from, so drop a comment below. It's amazing to see our community of strong men from all over the globe. Alright, let's get into it. When performance issues arise, many men immediately blame age or low testosterone. While those can be factors, they often aren't the main culprit. The real foundation for strong, natural performance is something much simpler: healthy blood flow. Think about it. Your performance depends entirely on your blood vessels being open, flexible, and healthy. When your circulation slows down, so does everything else. But here's the great news. Your body already knows what to do. You just need to provide the raw materials to reopen those pathways. We need to boost nitric oxide and get oxygen-rich blood flowing freely again. And food is one of the most powerful ways to do exactly that. So, let's count down the 7 foods that can make a real difference, starting tonight. Number 7. Beets. Let's kick things off with a seriously overlooked powerhouse for men's health: beets. Beets are packed with natural nitrates. Your body uses these nitrates to create a crucial molecule called nitric oxide. Think of it as the signal that tells your blood vessels to relax and widen. This allows blood to move freely, not just to your heart, but everywhere it needs to go. For men over 50, beets help restore the natural circulatory boost that time can diminish. Try adding some roasted beets to your dinner or blending them into a morning smoothie. Number 6. Spinach and leafy greens. Next up are dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. These greens are packed with magnesium, a vital mineral that helps your blood vessels stay flexible and open. Here's the problem. Many men over 50 don't get enough magnesium. Things like stress and caffeine can deplete your stores, causing arteries to become more rigid. Adding just a cup of spinach to your daily routine can help counteract this. Relaxed arteries lead to stronger, more dependable blood flow. Number 5. Fatty fish. If there's one food group most men over 50 need more of, it's fatty fish. I'm talking about salmon, mackerel, and sardines. They are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation and keep your blood flowing smoothly, almost like a lubricant for your circulatory system. Inflammation is a major enemy of healthy circulation. It causes arteries to tighten and narrow. Omega-3s fight that inflammation, protecting your blood vessels and keeping circulation strong. Grilling salmon a couple of times a week is a fantastic start. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Now for one that will make you happy: dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right. But we're talking about high-quality dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or more. It's rich in compounds called flavonoids, which are fantastic for your blood vessels. They support nitric oxide production, leading to better circulation and oxygen delivery. A small square at night feels like a treat, but it's actively working to support your vitality. Just remember to keep it in moderation. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Let's talk about oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. These are bursting with vitamin C. This vitamin is essential for protecting the delicate lining of your blood vessels from damage. It also helps your body produce nitric oxide, keeping your arteries elastic and strong. Something as easy as starting your day with a glass of lemon water or having an orange for a snack can significantly strengthen your circulatory health from the inside out. Number 2. Cayenne pepper. Let's add a little spice. Cayenne contains a powerful compound called capsaicin. It helps relax the walls of your arteries, which can lower blood pressure and boost circulation. That warm feeling you get from spicy food? That's your blood flow getting a gentle kickstart. Even a tiny pinch of cayenne in your soup or on your eggs can have a powerful cumulative effect over time. It's a simple way to wake up your circulatory system. Number 1. Walnuts. And finally, at number 1, we have walnuts. These nuts are a fantastic source of L-arginine, an amino acid that is a direct building block for nitric oxide. They also contain healthy omega-3s and antioxidants that protect your arteries from plaque buildup. Just a small handful of walnuts each day provides your body with the exact tools it needs to improve blood flow and maintain firmness. I consider them a form of daily insurance for your circulation. So you have the list of 7 foods. Now, how do you put this into practice? It's simpler than you think. Aim to have a fatty fish like salmon twice a week. You can pair it with some roasted beets or a big salad with spinach. For dessert, a small square or 2 of dark chocolate is a perfect, guilt-free treat. In the morning, try starting your day with a glass of water with a squeeze of fresh lemon. And for a snack, a handful of walnuts is an easy win. Finally, don't be afraid to sprinkle a little cayenne on your meals. It's not about perfection. It's about making small, consistent choices. Your body responds to rhythm and steady nourishment, not extreme diets. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Dr. Mitchell, this sounds good, but is it too late for me? My body just isn't what it once was. I need you to hear me on this. It is never too late. Your body has not lost the blueprint for how to function well. It's simply waiting for the right signals and the right nutrients to get back to work. I've worked with men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s who have seen remarkable improvements once they started to properly nourish their bodies. And when that happens, it's about more than just physical performance. It's about regaining a sense of pride. It's about feeling confident and capable. It's about knowing you are still a strong, vital man. So my main message for you today is this: your age doesn't have to define your vitality. It's an opportunity to use your wisdom to work with your body. I encourage you to pick just 1 or 2 of these foods and add them to your meals this week. When you nourish your circulation, everything else gets better. Your energy levels, your mood, your stamina, and your confidence. Your body is ready to respond. It just needs your help. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more practical health advice, and consider sharing it with a friend who might need to hear this message. I'm Dr. Mitchell, and I want to leave you with this thought. With the right daily habits, you absolutely can reclaim your strength at any age. Take care of yourself starting tonight. Your body is ready to reward you with renewed energy and rock-solid performance.